Hello everybody, I just got myself a brand new Asus ROG LE. As you can see, it is a I got this on sale, but it was still about 600 bucks. It normally goes close to 1,000, so this is brand new, so this is an unboxing video. I bought this actually to replace my gaming laptop because it was starting to act up, so I actually acted quick and sold it before the problems got big. But anyways, and this is it. This is my new device. As you can see, first of all, we have the stand. The stand for, I don't know what it is. I don't think I'll ever use it, but this is the main unit. It runs Windows 11, and it's still sealed in plastic, so we're just going to go ahead and open this up. Ooh, beautiful. Since it's on sale as Black Friday, it's actually cheaper to buy one brand new now than it is to buy a used one. Actually, we can open this up later, but this is what the unit looks like. Let's see what else we have here. I'm assuming we get the owner's manual and everything. Yeah, this is the owner's manual. And of course it tells the warranty information, which I'm going to fill it in. And this is just empty. And then we also get the power cord supply, which is right here. And this looks it. The box now looks completely empty at this point. I'm just going to open this up. There's no need to. I'm going to recycle it. And yeah, the stand does feel kind of flimsy, but let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it goes. Okay, so my new ROG LE is pretty much fully set up. As you can see, this is the charger that it came with it. There's also the logo. It is a 65-watt super fast charger. It's a USB-C, as you can see. There's also a little attachment that you can organize this, and there's the stand that says ROG on it as well. So it runs Windows 11. There is micro SD card ports and other ports. I like how it actually shows the mouse pointer when you try to use it. You see, it's pretty cool. And then when you click on this button, it's like clicking your mouse. I'm still figuring out the interface and everything, and I'll give you updates. But so far, it's doing pretty good. You see, I'm supposed to get a Windows update. It's also a touchscreen, which is what I prefer. And then yeah, let's go and restart for the update. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, stay subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.